Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of a Kreg DK1100 pocket screw machine. Very simple to use. On your left hand side here you do have your power button. It is foot pedal operated. Simply insert your material. Hit your foot pedal and that is it. This material, this pine, is a little bit splintery, so it's not going to be as clean as it would in other species. You do have a flip stop on the left-hand side. If we pop the lid really fast, you can see that it is powered by, we go down and look, it is powered by a Leeson 1.5 horsepower, 115 volt motor. You do have your chuck, your Allen key, and there is a counter for cycling. Someone did put a power belt on here. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.